Hey guys, Jordan here at Kelowna Kia, and today I want to do something a little different. I wanted to jump in front of the camera and ask all the staff what their special recipe is for this Thanksgiving. Mike Ister here. Mike, Thanksgiving's coming up. What's your special recipe, something you've got to bring to the function, something that you make, something that you think will really elevate it to that next level?
The most important thing, Jordan, in Thanksgiving is the nap after the dinner. That's the most important thing.
Food though.
Oh, food, right. Sorry. Food. I'd say a good coleslaw is what I'm gonna bring. A good coleslaw.
What do you do to a coleslaw that makes it special?
Well, you need paprika. You need a little bit of smoked paprika. You need some fresh garlic, thyme, a little bit of mayonnaise, and the key here is a little bit of yogurt.
Yogurt.
A little bit.
You're going Greek yogurt?
A little bit.
What's your secret recipe, something you got to bring to Thanksgiving?
I make, but it's usually it's like a broccoli with white cheese and yellow cheese on the top of it, and it's really good. It's like a casserole.
I really like scalloped potatoes, but I don't know. Not a lot of people make those.
Do you have anything you add to it that kind of puts that special Bailey touch on it?
Oh, I can't let you guys know that.
It's top secret. Sorry guys, top secret.
It's a pasticcio. That's the Greek dish that we have for Thanksgiving. My mom started that tradition many years ago. We're going to continue it. In short words, it's a Greek lasagna. It's mincemeat and pasta with a cream sauce on top.
Okay guys, that was Jordan here at Kelowna Kia asking the staff everything that they like to do for Thanksgiving, more specifically their special dishes. You're probably wondering about me. My secret dish, it's not going to be a secret for long. You get the mashed potatoes going, just a little bit of cream cheese, get the parsley, get the dill, wonderful. You got to try it.